January 2026 has been absolutely insane for new pistol releases. If you've been waiting to upgrade your carry gun or add to your collection, this is your month. We've got micro compacts with crazy capacity, full-size tactical beasts, and everything in between. Today I'm breaking down the best new pistols that just hit the market. Let's see what's dropping right now. Glock 48X MOS Enhanced Edition. We have Glock's refined take on their popular slimline platform, the Glock 48X MOS Enhanced Edition. Glock doesn't typically make major changes, but this release actually includes some meaningful upgrades. The 48X MOS Enhanced Edition maintains the proven G48 frame with the longer G48 slide, giving you that perfect balance of concealability and shootability. It's chambered in 9mm with a 10-round flush magazine, though it's compatible with aftermarket 15-round mags. What's new is Glock's updated MOS system. They've redesigned the mounting plates to sit lower, bringing your red dot closer to the bore axis. This improves dot tracking during recoil and makes transitions faster. Glock also updated the slide serrations. The new pattern is more aggressive with deeper cuts, making slide manipulations easier in wet or gloved conditions. The front serrations are particularly improved. The frame texture has been refined with a more aggressive pattern that Glock is calling RTF3 for rough textured frame 3rd generation. It provides excellent purchase without being uncomfortable for all-day carry. Glock includes improved night sights that co-witness perfectly with the MOS system. And the sights are drift adjustable and feature a high visibility orange outline around the tritium vials. The trigger feels slightly refined compared to previous Gen 5 triggers, with a cleaner break and shorter reset. It's still recognizably Glock, but the improvements are noticeable. At around $625, the 48X MOS Enhanced Edition is priced competitively. For Glock fans looking for the latest refinement of the slimline platform, this is definitely worth considering. 9 Smith Wesson M&P 10mm compact next up is something a lot of people have been asking for. The Smith Wesson M&P 10mm compact. Smith Wesson finally answered the call for a compact 10mm pistol, and they delivered. The M&P 10mm compact is built on the M2.0 compact frame with a 4-inch barrel. It holds 15 rounds of 10mm, which is impressive capacity for such a powerful cartridge in a compact package. Smith Wesson reinforced the frame and slide to handle the increased pressures and recoil of 10mm. The slide is noticeably beefier than the standard M&P, and the recoil spring assembly has been upgraded. The grip texture is the aggressive M2.0 texture that Smith & Wesson has perfected. 4 interchangeable palm swell inserts are included, allowing you to customize the grip to fit your hand perfectly. The trigger is the excellent M2.0 trigger with a crisp break at around 5.5 pounds and a short tactile reset. For a striker-fired defensive pistol, this trigger is hard to beat. Smith & Wesson includes their optics-ready slide cut that accepts most micro red dots without adapter plates. The slide also features front and rear serrations for easy manipulation. What makes this pistol special is the caliber choice. 10mm gives you serious power for hunting, backcountry carry, or defensive use while still being manageable in a compact platform. With modern 10mm ammunition, you're getting ballistics that rival 41 Magnum. The M&P 10mm compact is priced at around $650, which is reasonable for a compact 10mm pistol. For those who want serious power in a carry-size package, this is an exciting new option. 8 Sig Sauer P322 COMP. Sig Sauer keeps innovating, and their new P322 COMP is a perfect example. This is a 22 LR pistol with an integrated compensator designed to be the ultimate range gun and training tool. The P322 COMP takes the excellent P322 platform and adds a factory integrated compensator to the slide. The COMP is highly effective at reducing muzzle rise, making this already soft shooting pistol feel like you're shooting a laser beam. The pistol features a 4-inch barrel, with the COMP adding about another inch to the overall length. The 20-round magazine capacity makes range sessions incredibly fun. You can shoot and shoot without constantly reloading. SIG includes fiber optic sights that are easy to pick up, and the slide is optics ready with a mounting plate system. Throwing a micro red dot on this thing makes it an absolute tack driver. The frame is polymer with aggressive texturing and an accessory rail for lights or lasers. Sig designed this to be a serious training tool, not just a plinker. So they included all the features you'd want. The trigger is excellent for a .22 LR pistol, crisp break at around 4.5 pounds with a short reset. It's not match grade, but it's definitely good enough for precision practice. What makes the P322 COMP special is how it can serve as an affordable training substitute for your centerfire carry gun. The controls are similar to Sig's centerfire pistols, so the manual of arms transfers perfectly. At around $450, the P322 COMP is priced attractively. For those wanting a fun range gun or an affordable training tool, this is an excellent new option. 7 Springfield Armory Echelon Compact. Springfield Armory just released the Echelon Compact, and this is the carry size version of their innovative Echelon platform. But Springfield packed a lot of technology into this compact pistol. The Echelon Compact is a 9mm with a 15-round capacity in a package that's similar in size to a Glock 19. Springfield achieved high capacity through intelligent magazine design and frame engineering. What sets the Echelon apart is the modular features. The entire grip module is replaceable, and Springfield offers multiple size options. The backstrap and trigger are also interchangeable, giving you extensive customization. The slide features what Springfield calls their central operating system optics mounting. It's a direct mount system that accepts multiple optic footprints without adapter plates. The optics sit incredibly low to the bore. Springfield includes their adaptive grip texture that they developed specifically for the Echelon. It's aggressive where you need it, but smooth where your hand makes constant contact during carry. The trigger is flat-faced with a break at around 5 pounds. There's minimal take-up, a clean break, and a short reset. Springfield clearly spent time refining this trigger system. Unique to the Echelon is the ambidextrous controls throughout. Not just the magazine release and slide stop, everything is truly ambidextrous, including the takedown lever. The accuracy is impressive for a compact pistol. Springfield claims 2-inch groups at 25 yards, and in my testing, it easily meets that standard with quality ammunition. At around $675, the Echelon Compact is priced competitively. For those wanting a highly customizable, feature-rich compact pistol, this is worth serious consideration. On 6 Taurus GX4 XL Carry, Taurus continues their impressive run with the new GX4 XL Carry, which is an extended version of their popular GX4 micro compact. This gives you more capacity and better shootability while remaining highly concealable. The GX4 XL Carry is a 9mm with a 13-round flush magazine and optional 15-round extended magazines. The grip is slightly longer than the standard GX4, giving you a full-firing grip without printing excessively. Taurus equipped this pistol with their excellent trigger system that breaks cleanly at around 5.5 pounds. The reset is short and tactile, making accurate follow-up shots easy. The slide is optics ready and comes with a steel mounting plate for Shield RMSC pattern red dots. Taurus also includes excellent night sights that co-witness with your optic. The frame features aggressive texturing and an undercut trigger guard that enhances your grip. Taurus included an accessory rail for mounting lights, which is essential for a defensive pistol. What impresses me about Taurus lately is the quality control. The fit and finish on this pistol is excellent, with tight tolerances and smooth operation. Taurus has really stepped up their game. The GX4 XL Carry has proven reliable in testing. I've run several hundred rounds through my sample without any malfunctions. It feeds hollow points consistently and runs in various conditions. At around $375, the GX4 XL Carry represents incredible value. You're getting features that guns twice this price offer, with reliability that you can trust. 5. Canik TTI Combat. Canik partnered with Taran Tactical Innovations to create the TTI Combat, and this is a competition-ready pistol right out of the box. This collaboration brings professional-level features at a Canik price point. The TTI Combat is a full-size 9mm with an 18-round capacity. The slide features extensive machining with lightning cuts designed by Taran Tactical to reduce reciprocating mass and improve cycling speed. The barrel is a match-grade fluted barrel with a Taran Tactical compensator. The comp is highly effective at reducing muzzle rise, keeping the gun flat during rapid fire. This makes transitions between targets incredibly fast. Canik includes Taran Tactical's signature aluminum trigger that breaks at around 3.5 pounds. This trigger is exceptional. Clean break, minimal take-up, short reset. It rivals triggers on guns costing much more. The frame features aggressive grip texturing and comes with Taran Tactical base pads on the magazines. The magazine well is flared for faster reloads, which is critical in competition. The slide is optics ready and comes with a Canik M01 red dot included in the package. The optic is actually quite good, with a crisp dot and auto brightness adjustment. What makes this pistol special is the value proposition. You're getting professional level features and enhancements for a fraction of what you'd pay for a fully custom competition gun. At around $950 for the complete package, the Canik TTI Combat is priced aggressively. For competitors on a budget or anyone wanting a performance pistol, this is an outstanding option. Part 4. Ruger Security 380 Max. Ruger just released the Security 380 Max, which is an upgraded version of their popular 380 ACP pistol with enhanced features and capacity. This addresses many of the requests from Security 380 owners. The Security 380 Max is chambered in 380 ACP with a 15-round capacity. That's exceptional capacity for a 380, giving you plenty of firepower in a mild recoiling package. The slide is slightly longer than the original Security 380 with a 4-inch barrel. This increased barrel length gives you better velocity and a longer sight radius for improved accuracy. Ruger equipped this pistol with an optics-ready slide that accepts Shield RMSC footprint red dots. They also include improved fiber optic sights that are easy to see in various lighting. The trigger has been refined with a cleaner break at around 5 pounds and a shorter reset. Ruger clearly listened to feedback and made meaningful improvements. The frame features improved texturing and an accessory rail for mounting lights. Ruger also added front slide serrations for easier press checks and administrative handling. What makes the Security 380 Max appealing is the caliber choice. 380 ACP is mild recoiling, making it ideal for shooters who are recoil sensitive or for extended practice sessions. Modern 380 defensive ammunition is quite effective. Ruger prices the Security 380 Max at around $425. For those wanting a soft shooting pistol with high capacity and modern features, this is an excellent choice. 3 Shadow Systems XR920 Elite Shadow Systems continues to dominate with their new XR920 Elite, which is their ultimate evolution of the Glock 19 size platform. This pistol takes everything great about their XR920 and elevates it further. The XR920 Elite is a 9mm compact with a 15-round capacity. The frame features Shadow Systems enhanced grip texture, undercut trigger guard, and flared magazine well. What's new with the Elite is the slide treatment. Shadow Systems applied their bronze PVD coating over the entire slide, which is both beautiful and incredibly durable. This coating resists wear and corrosion better than traditional finishes. The barrel is a match-grade threaded barrel with Shadow Systems' signature spiral fluting. It's accurate, looks great, and is ready for your favorite suppressor or compensator. Shadow Systems includes their excellent trigger system with a flat face, crisp break at around 4 pounds, and a very short reset. This trigger makes accurate shooting effortless. The slide is optics ready with Shadow Systems' direct mount system for RMR pattern red dots. They also include suppressor height night sights that co-witness perfectly. One unique feature is the included magwell adapter for Streamlight TLR7 sub lights. This allows you to mount the light flush with the frame, creating a clean, professional appearance. The fit and finish is exceptional. Every component is precisely manufactured and fitted, resulting in a pistol that feels like a custom gun. At around $925, the XR920 Elite is premium priced but justified. For those wanting enhanced Glock performance with premium features, this delivers. 2 Wilson Combat EDC X9S Gen 2 Wilson Combat just released the EDC X9S Gen 2, which is the compact version of their legendary EDC X9. This brings Wilson's hand-fitted quality to a more concealable package. The EDC X9S is a compact 1911 pattern pistol chambered in 9mm with a 12-round capacity. The frame is aluminum with aggressive grip texturing, and the slide is stainless steel. Every component is hand-fitted by Wilson's master gunsmiths. The slide to frame fit is incredibly tight, yet runs perfectly reliably. The barrel is match grade and hand lapped for exceptional accuracy. The trigger breaks at exactly 3.5 pounds with 0 creep. The wall is definite, the break is clean, and the reset is short. This is quite possibly the finest factory trigger available. Wilson includes their tactical thumb safety, which is ambidextrous and provides an additional layer of safety for carry. The magazine release and slide stop are also ambidextrous. The Gen 2 improvements include refined grip texturing, updated night sights, and an available optics cut. Wilson can mill the slide for your preferred micro red dot during the build process. The accuracy is outstanding. Wilson guarantees sub 1-inch groups at 25 yards, and the gun easily exceeds that standard. I've shot groups under 3/4 of an inch with quality ammunition. One Staccato C2 DPO Tactical. Finally, we have the Staccato C2 DPO Tactical, which is Staccato's latest evolution of their popular C2 carry gun. DPO stands for Direct Primary Optic, and this version comes factory equipped with their integrated red dot system. The C2 DPO Tactical is a compact 2011 pattern pistol chambered in 9mm with a 16-round capacity. The frame is aluminum with Staccato's aggressive grip texturing and perfect ergonomics. What makes the DPO version special is the integrated red dot optic that Staccato includes and zeros at the factory. This isn't just thrown on, Staccato actually zeros the optic to the specific pistol before shipping. The slide is machined specifically for the included optic, sitting as low as possible to the bore. This minimizes dot movement during recoil and makes transitions incredibly fast. 1. Staccato's trigger is exceptional. A flat-faced design that breaks at exactly 3 pounds with no creep whatsoever. The reset is measured in fractions of an inch, allowing for extremely rapid, accurate fire. The barrel is Staccato's island barrel design, which provides exceptional accuracy through enhanced barrel support. The barrel is match grade and will easily shoot 1-inch groups at 25 yards. The build quality is outstanding. Every component is precisely fitted, and the gun runs absolutely reliably with any quality ammunition. Staccato guarantees reliability, and they deliver. At around $2,700 for the complete package with the optic, the C2 DPO Tactical is expensive, but for those wanting the absolute best carry gun money can buy, this is it. Fine, that wraps up our look at the best new pistols released this month. Which one are you most excited about? Are you planning to pick up any of these new releases? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more new release coverage and reviews. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.